Hey guys, what's up? This is the Bull here. I'm down at Church Ministry Garden, checking on the plants and checking on the sprinkler systems, making sure that all the plants are getting wet. The plants are growing great. We've done several harvests already that we have brought down to the food co-ops and shared with our church elderly. So let's take a look around and just see how the plants are growing. Right behind me here, you can see these beautiful sunflowers. I'm going to harvest a few of these seeds once this finishes growing through the season. It's just a beautiful, beautiful sunflower. Has so many sunflowers on it. The way it grows, I just love it. I'm going to definitely harvest some seeds from that. Over here is our okra plants. They're growing, they're looking good, and they're producing heavily. We've already done a couple harvests out of those already. Over here we have our tomatoes. And as you can see, the tomatoes are putting out a lot of tomatoes. Over here we have our pepper row, and the peppers are still small. There's been a few peppers that have been harvested from the one down at the end there, but nevertheless, they're small right now. But great thing about it is they'll keep growing and they'll produce later on. We'll be able to get some nice peppers out of those. Over here we have the butternut squash, and the butternut squash are doing fantastic. We haven't harvested any of those yet because we're waiting for them to get ripe. Down here in the middle, we've harvested plenty of beans. We've done I think 2 harvests already of beans, and it's been, a nice harvest. Getting soaked here. And then down there in that trellis in there, we have some cucumbers, and the cucumbers are producing nice. These 2 garden beds over here belong to 2 of our young gardeners. They're doing a fantastic job. Last week, they were able to harvest quite a few cucumbers from these little beds here. On this side here, they're growing some squash that still young, and they're experimenting with it, and later on during the season, maybe they get a little harvest of squash out of there. But over here, they harvested quite a few cucumbers, and they were so excited. Nothing like seeing a young kid plant something, nourish it, and see it come to fruition, and they're able to harvest their fruit, and the look on their face is amazing. Nothing more exciting than seeing a young kid face when he sees the plant starting to do something, right? After he has planted that, and he continues nurturing it, and he sees it grow, and then he sees the fruit form and get bigger, and then when he harvests it, he's just like so amazed, and that will stay for them forever. I'll tell you, nothing hypes me up more than coming down to the church ministry garden and working with the youth, teaching them how to make garden beds, how to work the soil, how to fertilize the soil, how to get their seedlings in the ground, and nurturing their plants so that the plant can get bigger. And you can see their faces as they come down every week. They say, "Oh, look at my plant, it's getting bigger." And when the fruit gets on it, they're like so excited. They're like, "Oh, look at that! Is that a cucumber? Is that a pepper?" So they're learning so much every week. They're soaking it up. It's so valuable. It's a lesson taught that will carry them through their lives, while they can grow their own food as they get older, and hopefully they will continue to love gardening. And that's the whole experience that I try to teach here in this garden, that as you continue to show them, they will learn to appreciate where their food comes from. And like I said, that's a lesson that is so valuable. So when they grow up, they're able to grow their own food. Last week, the kids came down. They harvested a whole bunch of cucumbers from their little baby garden beds that we made for them. And it's like, it's so exciting. I'm going to post some pictures of some of the kids holding their cucumbers in their faces, how excited they were about that. And like I said, nothing excites me more than teaching anybody that wants to learn how to grow. So get out there with your kids, spend a little time with them in the garden, and not everybody's going to take to it. Some people just don't like being in the garden because whatever reason, mosquitoes. They come up with a million excuses. But you got to get them out there. You got to introduce them to it, and see where they're at with it. A lot of them won't like it and love it. A lot of kids like to be out in the dirt, and you'll never know until you get out there yourself and teach them how to grow something. Maybe you can learn how to grow something yourself, okay? So anyway, thank you for tuning in. God bless.